Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 6th of January 2019 for the first episode of the year of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is a dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that if we're able to go above and close above the top of the base, we're likely to continue moving to the upside, but if we're able to go below and close below the bottom of the base, we're likely to continue moving to the downside. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the last day of the year, the market continued to move down into the bottom of the base. Tuesday was a bank holiday. Wednesday, the market moved from the bottom of the base to the middle of the base to this supply zone. On Thursday we moved back down, and on Friday we tried to go up and then got knocked back down, closing the week down here towards the bottom of the base. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? Again, it's very similar to what we've said in previous weeks. If we're able to go below and close below the bottom of the base, we're likely to continue moving to the downside. If we're able to go above and close above this supply zone, it's likely we'll move to the top of the base, and if we're able to go above and close above the top of the base, it's likely we'll continue moving to the upside. At the moment, the odds are slightly greater on a continuation of the move to the downside. So let's take a look at the larger time frames. On the weekly chart, you can see we're moving to the downside, and it's most likely, as we said last week, that we'll move back down into this 95 zone demand area over here. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, you can see we're now pointing to the downside. So based on this time frame, again, the odds are that we're likely to move down into the 95 area. We remain bullish so long as we remain above this pivot low here, and this pullback at the moment is likely to be buyable. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to two free webinars that are taking place this week. Firstly, tomorrow, Monday, January the 7th, I'm taking part in the Timing Research Show, where myself and a number of other traders will be talking about the future movements of the S&P 500. And then on January the 9th, on Wednesday, I'll be doing the first live market analysis using supply and demand for the year. So I invite you to come and sign up for both of these events. I'll leave a link below this video, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or my blog, where you can sign up for these free events. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading in 2019.